All right, welcome back. I am discussing the Pre-Calculus Honors Quiz 2.1. This is the last of 5 problems. This is number 5, and I'll walk you through it. The outside temperature in Milwaukee reached a low of minus 11.4 degrees and a high of 7.3 degrees. Across the country in San Diego, the outside temperature reached a low of 48.5 and a high of 78.6. The winter temperatures of both locations can be modeled by sinusoidal functions. Determine the difference in amplitudes in degrees Fahrenheit for these two locations. So the only thing we have to know here is the amplitude. We don't have to know frequency. We don't have to know vertical shift. We don't have to know phase shift. In fact, we don't even have to write a sine function. We just need to figure out the difference in amplitudes. So if the daily temperature can be modeled by a sinusoidal function, and if the low is minus 11.4 and the high is 7.3, then to get the amplitude, we take the difference between minus 11.4 and 7.3 and then divide by 2. So 11.4 and 7.3 is 18.7. Therefore, if you divide that by 2, the amplitude is 9.35. All right, but it wants to know difference in amplitudes. So the amplitude for Milwaukee is 9.35. Now we do the same calculation for the San Diego data, except we subtract 48.5 from 78.6. 48.5. So that's going to be, what's that difference? 30.1 degrees. So half of 30.1 is 15.05. So what's the difference between 15.05 and 9.35? Let me get out my calculator. 15.05 minus 9.35, 5.7. So the answer should be the difference in amplitudes is 5.7 degrees. Let's see if that's right. Hoorah. Okay, that's a good place to stop.